what I would do is to urge Congress to restore the death penalty by hanging.
This was one of the bold statements during his first news conference. But instead of death by lethal injection, presumptive President Rodrigo Duterte prefers death by hanging.
Heinous crime committed with unlicensed firearms must be death. Rape plus death ang sa victim must be death penalty. Kidnapping tapos with ransom, pinatay ninyo, must be death penalty. Robbery with homicide with rape, double the hanging. After hang first, then there will be another ceremony for the second time. Hanggang putol talaga yung completely severed yung ulo sa katawan.
Data coming from Amnesty International show 1,634 people died from capital punishment in 2015, the highest figure since 1989. Iran, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and the U.S. had the most number of executions. But the figure could be higher, as it has yet to count executions from China, which is not disclosing information on such cases. Amnesty International adds out of 198 countries, only 58 are carrying out the death penalty. The Philippines was among them until President Gloria Arroyo abolished the death penalty in 2006. Amnesty International is now worried over the possibility of restoring capital punishment in the country.
From the United Nations study, from the US Academy, nagsasabi na hindi nakaka-deter ng crime ang death penalty. In fact, there are also studies would say na sa mga bansang walang death penalty or nag-abolish ng death penalty, mas bumaba pa yung crime rate. For example, Canada and some states in the USA.
There are different methods in carrying out the death penalty. Among them, electrocution, firing squad, gas chamber, hanging, and lethal injection. Forensic pathologist Dr. Raquel Fortun says lethal injection is the least painful method.
One is to sedate, to calm the person. So patutulugin ka. And the second drug is the more lethal, muscle relaxant. So hindi ka nahihinga. So you die.
So she couldn't believe Duterte's preference to hang convicts.
Kung mangisay-ngisa yan, ano gagawin mo? Paano kung buhay? Paano kung hindi mamatayan? It can happen.
But the presumptive president has found an ally. Death penalty advocate Senator Tito Soto wants to restore capital punishment, but only for high-level drug trafficking cases.
Pagka ang Pangulo nagtutulak ng ganyang sitwasyon, medyo, or ng ganyang klaseng panukala, mas malaki pag-asa na pumasayan.
Soto says he's even open to imposing death by hanging, but a law should be passed to state that hanging is a humane method of capital punishment. Pinky Webb, CNN Philippines.